So to register, you need to go to your Skills USA register, which I gave you the link, and just log in with your account information. It should be the same information when you registered the kids. So when you registered the kids, you went under membership and you added members to your team, or you clicked on membership and added them, and that's how you add them. But to do a competition, you have to go to conference and you have to go to my registrations, and you got to pick which competition we're competing. So you're going to be competing in the Southwest Washington Regional Competition. So again, you have to put this the Southwest Washington Regional Competition. Once you've done that, then you just add registrant, and then you put their information, and then you do that for every single student that's competing, and you have to do it for every single competition they're competing in. So for example, I have some students that are competing in 3, some are even competing in 4 different competitions between leadership and skills and occupational. So what happens is you compete at regionals, and then you go to state. You have to re-register them all again for state competitions based off who gets bronze, silver, or gold. So again, add registrant. You're going to pick what student. So I had some students that were registered that decided to drop out and not compete. So that's all these students right here, or they're part of teams that are teams of 2, but you can have more than teams. So you pick the student that you want to register, and then you pick the contest. So in this case, you do 2D visualization animation. So you'd click that, and then if you want to add them to another competition, you press add to other contest, but otherwise you just go the next step and finish out all their information. You do that for each and every student, and every time you add it, you'll see right here where they add. So again, this year if they're only doing 2D animation, that's all you're competing in, that's fine, but if they're going to do t-shirt design, pin design, all those other things, you have to add each one of those. So I hope this helps. So again, you go under conference, you go to my registrations, and then you want to make sure you click Southwest Washington Regional Competition, because that's the one that you'd be competing in with us. Then later on, like I said, we go to state for the people that make it out of state.